Prezidente Repu destaka pontu importante tolu e ambitu enkontru Ministerial G7 Plus dala. E a sexta Organização Intergovernamental G7 Plus realiza encontro ministerial dala nebe participa husi nação membro sira hamutuk sanulo rasinhat inclui Timor-Leste nune e a abertura encontro ministerial Presidente da República José Ramos Horta nos enviado especial G7 Plus destaca ponto principal tolo nebe nação membro sira atolau tuir makanesang continua a advocacia coletiva para reforma sira e a instituição internacional hameti solidariedade no promove apropriação nacional e aspecto roto da paz no desenvolvimento.
First, we must continue to collectively advocate for reforms in international institutions. The rules that govern the global order must be rewritten to ensure they are inclusive, equitable, and reflective of the realities of all nations, especially those emerging from conflict and fragility. Second, we must strengthen our solidarity because that is the true strength of G7+. Solidarity is not just a principle, it is the foundation of our collective resilience. It is what has allowed us to stand together and amplify our voices. Now more than ever, the G7 Plus must step up its efforts to support member states facing active conflict. Third, we must promote national ownership in all aspects of peace and development. Sustainable progress can only be achieved when it is led by those who understand their own challenges best, our governments, our communities, our people. International support must align with national priorities, not dictate them. Let me highlight a platform that speaks directly to the priorities of this room, the Global Task Force on Social Protection for Nutrition, co-chaired by Timor-Leste and Chile, with the World Food Programme serving as its secretariat and backed by G7+.
Presidente da República José Ramos Horta encoraja a nação membro G7+ Sira durante seu remoto lor rua, a livre ideia Sira nebe construtiva da Organização Intergovernamental G7+ nova nação membro Sira.
Our work ahead is far from over. We demand even greater courage, persistence and vision. We must not settle for the status quo. We must not allow ourselves to be marginalized in global decision-making. We must seize this moment to shape a new narrative, one in which our nations are recognized not as problems to be solved, but as partners in building a more just and peaceful world. I wish you all meaningful and productive discussions over the next 2 days.
Sormuto Ministerial G7 Plus realiza durante lor rua, a sexta to sábado semana. Organização Intergovernamental G7 Plus, hari e a tina rua sanulu, husi iniciativa Timor-Leste G7 Plus, funda husi nação Hitu, no dadaune nação membro hamutu cronulu, objetivo geral, atu ajuda a para conflito no promove paz, no estabilidade e estado membro será. Bem-vindos Simenes, Adérito Simenes, GMN.